I'm working here on phase 2 for the MeetMe app. I'm working on the subscriptions model, and I'm thinking what would be the best way going forward. Originally, I have thought I want to go with pay once, use always model, where you basically purchase an app and you use it as an enriched app with all the possible features, against the free model where you simply use with limitations. Now, what I don't like about this pay once model is that the app has a potential to reach a certain number of people, and it may be a very little, maybe a lot. So if it's a lot of money, but it's a dying model. Once you reach the number of people you can reach, that's it. Of course, there will always be new, as you know, people grow up and new audiences appear, but I haven't made the decision on that yet. The second option, maybe an interesting one, is a subscription model where you would pay monthly to use the premium features, and you could buy 1 month or 3 months, so it's a need-to-need basis. Not sure how that will work. How come? Is it just seems lame. I don't see the point. I pay for 1 month when I need it, and I don't then pay for 3 months, and I pay again. I don't see how people would react to that. Now, an enhancement to this model would be buying credits against functionality. So you could say, I want to buy, I don't know, 5 credits, where each credit would mean 1 meeting initiation with all the possible features. Now, if the app can be as such that all the premium functionality is hidden behind the meeting organization, that is fine. But if it's not, then we have a problem, as you can't give people functionality that's hidden behind payment model, but still has to be available when it's not. So it's a messy, unless I find a way to make it work for both, and some features that must be available or call to action to purchase new features. So I'll let you know once I make a decision, and I'll elaborate how come.
Hey guys, I really hope I brought you value with this episode of the Digital Product Concepting and Innovation. Go ahead, subscribe, share this, pass it on, and let me know what you think.